Happy first Sunday in August 2023. This is my birthday month, y'all. Woo! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Anyway, I want to show y'all when I went out after church and got real quick. Seems like I've been shopping a good bit, but I had cut back before I went on vacation. So I'm trying to restock, and then I'm going to stay out of the stores a little bit. But so what I got here is a kush, y'all. Y'all know anything about a kush, y'all? I got a video. I'm gonna link it where I show you how to cook it, and then you take it and you cook it down, and then you put it in a cast iron skillet and you fry it. My mom used to make something like a pone. You ever heard of a potato pone? She used to do that. It's like the filling for a sweet potato pie without a crust. My mom used to love that, and I will fix it for her, but I was never a big fan because I'm a crust girl. But I may make that just to show y'all. And then I got the russet potatoes. Today I'm doing baked chicken, baked thighs, and wings. And I wanted to do roasted garlic potatoes, but I don't think I have any fresh garlic. I forgot to get some. I got the jumbo eggs, y'all. These jumbo eggs were $1.78. So I ended up paying what, $3.56 for 24 2 dozen. Look how big they are. These are some huge eggs. I got some of them sitting out right now. I'm getting ready to make one of my first cakes I learned how to make was a banana cake. It is so good with cream cheese icing with roasted pecans. Very good. I know not good for you, but everything in moderation. So y'all look, I got these wings for $6.69. They're $1.47 this week. So I went ahead and got some baked wings and thighs, my favorite two pieces. I got 2 Coke Zeros. I got a Sprite. We didn't see the Sprite Zero, and my son have lemonade. So fun fact, we don't drink these all the time, but when I catch them on sale, I go ahead and get them because, you know, Labor Day is coming up real soon. Which I don't know if I'm going to be at home for Labor Day, if I'm going to just do me a little weekend trip. But anyway, these were $2.67. They haven't been this cheap since I don't know when. I think a couple of weeks ago, they were 4 for $17 or something like that. Yeah, so I went ahead and got some, and before the sale ends, I may go ahead and get some more. I got my morning breakfast and my peanuts. I got me a cantaloupe. That last cantaloupe I had was so good. What I did, I let it sit on the counter. Actually, I think I kept it on my table for about 3 or 4 days and let it get, oh girl, oh yeah, it was, it was good. It was really good. Also, I got me some camellia beans because one day this week I do have other beans, but I love red. So I went ahead and got these. I do have white beans. I have the baby llamas. And I also have some pintos. But I'm going to start doing beans one day a week. I got my Philadelphia cream cheese because that's the first time I use that cream cheese icing on the cake for the banana cake. But that's what it calls for. My son asked for this, so I let him pick the desserts most times because I may eat one piece and maybe not even eat anymore. Then I got the ranch style beans because he requested the Dorito casserole this week, so I'm gonna make that. Then I got my 5 apples for breakfast for the week, and I got the Vagisil pH Balance and the Odor Block. I love these two. These two are my favorites. And I got the Summer's Eve because Vagisil have a spray. But I got this, what is it called? The Island Splash, just because it's for another level of protection. It's just so very hot. And then I use Equate wipes too, you know. So I wipe, this may be TMI for some people, but I do dry, wet with the wipes, and then dry. Just so I could be fresh. I don't know. And then I got the Sour Punch. My son used to love these as a kid, and I told him, I said, get you something. So he got it. But y'all, guess what? He got it with my money. Now, he has money now. I'm telling you, he's one of the best savers I know. Anyway, y'all, that's all. I just want to stop by and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. I know I hadn't put up very many videos, y'all. I think I was experiencing some burnout. And I had I'm gonna do I'm gonna dedicate a video to talking about burnout. I registered and I go to a lot of webinars now. Probably for the second quarter. No, starting January this year, I started doing webinars, a lot of them. And I choose the ones that are free. And I've been getting so much valuable information. I mean, just a plethora, just so much good information. But they were talking about, one of them was talking about burnout. And one of the ladies who was a speaker actually said that she had a testimony that she experienced it, and during her episode, she discovered that she had Graves' disease, and I'm sure it's okay for me to discuss it because she did on a public forum. But I'm just saying, you just don't ever know. And she was saying some of the ways that you can overcome, alleviate, resolutions to overcoming it and how to get out of it. And it was just so good. And I was like, Lord, I needed to hear that. I really, really did. She had such a sweet spirit, but it was just eye-opening for me. And I want to share that because a lot of times we're going through things. We think we're stressed, we're tired, we're lethargic. Sometimes it's actually burnout. So we have to pay attention to our bodies. Mental health is real, man. And it's just... at some point in your life, even though you want to, I ain't nothing wrong with me. I think at some point in your life, everybody goes through something mentally. Okay, so I just wanted to share that, and I will talk more on it. Like I say, I don't get very many views, but if I help one person with what I share, hey, it's not in vain, right? Or even sometimes, sometimes when I put these videos up, it really makes me examine myself for real. So all right, y'all, be blessed. Stay dry. Stay cool. It's so hot. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye. Happy Saturday, y'all. Today is the 12th. This is my birthday month. Hey, it's my birthday. So, y'all, hey, I'm doing my daughter's birthday is actually Monday. So, they're having a little celebration today. Little poolside deal. It's so hot, though. Woo. But anyway, so I'm doing some chicken salad trays. I got the honey wheat and the whole wheat. I wasn't thinking so. I should have got one white, but this honey wheat looks like white bread just about. I got me a whole chicken from Sam's because I'm hungry. So I'll probably go eat a piece of this, and I may take the rest of it and make me some kind of soup for this week. I got some milk. I got some Velveeta. This was $6 and something at the store. I got some taco because I use with the Dorito Mexican. I like to keep this on hand for a quick dish. I got Wesson vegetable oil. Yeah, this was $6. I remember I used to get these for 99 cents on sale at Kroger. I got the butter golden cake mix. I got 3 things of eggs because I'm also doing angel eggs and putting eggs in the chicken salad. I got diced tomatoes with bell peppers, celery, and onions in it. I got tomato paste. And I got 2 things of black beans, the bushes, because I got 2 of the things of diced tomatoes. But the reason why I got the Bush's black beans, y'all know I like that Chipotle bowl, so I'm going to make that this week. I got me 2 things of my pure leaf tea, the unsweetened kind. Again, they have the chicken wings on sale, so I got 3 packs of them at $1.47 a pound. Every time I go to the store, these on sale, the meat pies. I love the Nagadish meat pies. If you ever had them, let me know, comment below. They are really, really good. They're not good for you, I'm just going to be honest, but they are good. So this is a lot of stuff here. I got corn. I got my apples for the week. I got my Roma tomatoes to make my salsa. Here go my jalapeno peppers. I got my avocado to make my guac. I got bell peppers because I needed some. I got bananas. I started to do a banana pudding, but I changed my mind to do a cake. I got 1 thing of mozzarella cheese. It was $1.97. I might go get some more of that. But also, I bought the kind. Remember, I got the kind of shred because I had one of those crank shredders. I got some green onion. Here's my cilantro. And the celery. The green onion and celery for the chicken salad. And I told y'all all I use is the Mount Olive sweet pickle relish. I was going to get the Daisy sour cream, but they didn't have one this big. I needed it this big because I'm going to use this. I like it in my my bowl, but also when I bake the cake, I need a cup of it. And then I got another thing of relish just for the house. I like this ice cream right here to have if I have cake. And then they had the chicken breast for $1.47. So I got 4 packs of that, which 2 of those I'm going to go ahead and cook now. But you can't beat that $4 for chicken breast. And so what I do with them is all kind of different things. So when I catch them that cheap, I go ahead and get some. Because food is so expensive now, isn't it? All right, so this is all I got, y'all. And this was at one store I spent $1 something, and at Sam's I spent $78. I got some more stuff from Sam's though. I'll be back.
the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and cry.